Hey everyone, George here with Heatshield. I'll be showing you how to install the side heat shields on the side windows of this Tesla Cybertruck. Since it has a really unique design for all the side heat shields, we're going to go ahead and start by aligning the top portion of the headliner. You want to tuck the heat shield in, apply pressure on the top suction cups. As you're working your way down to the bottom suction cups, you want to tuck the sides into the window. Now apply pressure on the bottom portion suction cups, and you will notice a slight overlap across the bottom of the frame, and that is to accommodate the roll down and up feature while opening and closing the door. And you will also notice this same design concept with our row 2 back seat side heat shields. Tuck the sides into the frame, and of course, as mentioned, same concept of the overlap while opening and closing the door.